Welcome to Kryptonite. My name is Ife. In this video, I am going to show you how you can copy other traders' strategy and make consistent profit for yourself. The exchange we are going to use is Primexbt. If you don't know how to use this exchange, I am going to leave a link up there right now where you can watch a step-by-step video on how to use the Primexbt exchange. You can use my specific link in the description of this video where you can get up to $7,000 in bonus, just like this, when you use my specific promo code. Keep in mind that this video is sponsored by Primexbt, and for you to start copy trading, you go over to this section right here, click on this. This right here is where you can copy other traders' strategy and make consistent profit for yourself. You can see the ratings of various strategies right here with their performance. The first strategy, as you can see, is a BTC strategy. And this strategy has made over 5,000% in profit in a duration of 124 days. And right now, there are over 300 followers using this strategy. If you click on this strategy right here, you can see more details about this strategy. Before you go ahead and follow any strategy, I am going to share with you some tips in choosing a profitable trading strategy on the Primexbt exchange. The first thing you need to pay attention to is the manager's equity. This shows that the owner of the strategy is willing to risk a particular amount of his own funds in running this strategy. So when you see the manager's equity at a reasonable amount, for example, this particular strategy by Fractals has over $4,000 allocated to this strategy. This right here is the performance of this strategy, and this has been going very well over the past 120 days. And over here you can see that this is the percentage I would be gaining when I choose to follow these strategies. For the standard, I get 60%, advanced, I get 65%, the premium, 70%, and the elite, you would get 75%. The only way to increase your percentage gain when you invest in a strategy is by owning a particular portion of this Covesting token. If you click on this, you can simply buy this Covesting token and increase the amount of profit you are going to make when you follow a particular strategy. This right here is the required amount of Covesting token that you can own to increase your percentage profit. The more Covesting token that you own, the more profit you are going to get when you follow any strategy on the Primexbt exchange. You can see right here, there are various advantages when you own this Covesting utility token. Right now, for the sake of this video, I am going to show you exactly how to follow a particular strategy. Currently, I have USDT present in my wallet. So what I am going to do is select a particular strategy that trades with USDT. For example, this strategy right here trades with USDT, but I am not going to use this strategy because it has a less percentage gain, and also there is only one follower with this strategy. So I don't feel comfortable right now using this strategy. Let's look for another one. You can see right here, this PA swing trade is what I am going to use in this video. It has been running for 85 days with a profit of over 150%. Right now, it has over 68 followers in this strategy with a followers equity of over $100,000. This right here is what I am going to use in this video. I would click on this. These are the details of this strategy, and you can see that currently the manager's equity is over $18,000. This shows that the owner of this strategy is willing to risk this amount of money in his trades. So this makes me confident to follow this strategy. I would go ahead and click on follow right here. This shows the minimum amount that you can invest in this strategy. So I can go ahead and change this to 100. I would be investing 100 USDT in this strategy, and my entry fee would be 1 USDT. My percentage profit share is 60%. I can go ahead and confirm this right here and follow this strategy. Right now, I have successfully followed this strategy, and I can go ahead and manage my portfolio. In the left hand side, you can see your portfolio right here, and currently I am invested in this PA swing trade with an initial equity of 100 USDT. If I click on this, this is the information of the strategy so far. You would see that I can set a stop loss or a take profit. If I click on this, right here I can place a stop loss which has to be lower than my percentage profit. In this bottom section, you can see that you can immediately stop following a particular strategy. If you click on stop following right here, right now I have stopped following this strategy. Now this is how you can invest in other traders' strategy on the Primexbt exchange. But if you want to create your own strategy, I am going to show you exactly how to do that. You go over to this left section and click on My Strategies. The next step is to click on Get Started. I can select the base currency I want to use when creating this strategy. Click on this. Right now I would select USDT and you can create a name for your strategy. Input a minimum amount of 500 USDT with this strategy. When you've done all this, you can go ahead and create your own strategy. This is basically how you use the copy trading section on this exchange. And if you want to make more passive income for yourself, you can go ahead and click on this yield section. I can choose to stake any of these assets and start making daily profit. So this is another way to make passive income on the Primexbt exchange. I truly hope you've enjoyed this kind of content, and if you did, you can please leave a thumbs up and try subscribe to the channel. It really means a lot and I would really appreciate it if you do so. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section and I will try answer all your questions. For right now, this is going to be it for this video and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.